For more information and current price, I included this product link in the description.
Hi, this is Joe B, and these are the brand new Sawtooth ET50 and ES60 guitars. The ES60 series is available in both right and left-handed configuration. Surf green with aged white pickguard. Arrow blue with pearloid white pickguard. Sunburst with aged white pickguard. The ES60 series features an alder body, maple neck, rosewood or maple fingerboard, a comfortable U-shaped neck, 3 ceramic pickups, a 5-way switch with 1 volume and 2 tone controls, 16.1 ratio tuning machines, a 25.5-inch scale, and 21 medium jumbo frets.
So when these Sawtooth guitars come in, we like to take them out, give them a thorough inspection and a nice little setup, and make sure that they're in the best playing condition for the customer as soon as they get them. They're playable right out of the box.
I have included this product link in the description. You can check out that link for more details and latest price.